Good morning, America! Welcome back to another weekly recap of the TQQQ with the week ending on February 23rd, 2024, and what to look forward to in the next week. Let's start by going over a few stats of the TQQQ for this past week. According to FinViz, the TQQQ closed at 59.62 for a weekly gain of 1%, a monthly gain of 5.86%, and a year-to-date gain of 17.59%. Since it was a 4-day trade week due to President's Day, there was a lot of volatility in the market. Now, as we take a look at the Yahoo Finance chart, as the market opened on Tuesday, the market sold off due to the uncertainty of Nvidia's earnings that occurred after the market closed on the 21st of Feb. Technically speaking, as you see on the Yahoo Finance chart, TQQQ went down below average, past -1 standard deviation. After Nvidia's blowout quarterly earnings, the market gapped up the following day on the 22nd. The TQQQ continued going sideways into Friday's close. Now, the reason behind why we took the 65 March 15 call option as posted was because the price was close to -2 standard deviations below the average, and it will pull back to the mean as expected. We exited this trade the following day on February 23rd with a gain of 207.89%. Looking ahead, we are waiting to see if the market will continue to move up or stall and fill the gap on the downside. On a side note, since Nvidia constitutes 4.59% of the QQQ, Nvidia has a huge effect on the price of the TQQQ, which is 3 times the QQQ. Nvidia currently has a $2 trillion valuation. As we look at the CNN Fear and Greed Index, here we go again. Another week of extreme greed. As mentioned before, it is obvious that every dip or sell-off is bought. Just for kicks, according to Y charts, the probability of a US recession is 61.47%. Looking ahead at the US economic calendar, we will be watching the PCE, Personal Consumption Expenditure number, coming out on Thursday at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, and the ISM, Institute of Supply Management number, at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. In addition, all of the major tech companies have already reported their earnings. As you may have already learned, timing is crucial when initiating and closing trades, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click our alert button for live updates on our trades that we will post in the comments section. Don't miss out on the opportunities that are coming. See you in the next video. Happy trading.